Today we will show you how to make money online and live your dream life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our incredible videos. In today's video, we will reveal the top 3 side hustle ideas to earn extra income in 2023. These are some of the most profitable and flexible ways to make money on the side. So get ready because these side hustles will blow your mind. 1. Writing for Google News. Google News is a platform that collects news articles from different sources and shows them to users according to their interests and preferences. To write for Google News and make money, follow these steps. Step 1. Create a website or blog. You need to have a website or blog that publishes original, high-quality, and relevant news articles regularly. You can easily use platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix to create your website or blog. Step 2. Apply for Google News inclusion. You must submit your website or blog for review by Google News. You can do this by filling out an online form and providing information about your site, such as the topics you cover, the languages you use, the regions you target, and the sources you cite. You must also follow the Google News content policies and technical guidelines to ensure your site meets the quality standards. Step 3. Monetize your site. Once Google News approves your site, you can start monetizing it using various methods, such as Google AdSense. This program allows you to display ads on your site and earn money when users click on them. You can sign up for AdSense and customize the types, sizes, and placements of ads on your site. Google AdWords. This platform allows you to create and run ads on Google and its partner sites, including Google News. You can use AdWords to promote your site, products, or services to potential customers searching for relevant keywords or topics. Google Opinion Rewards. This app allows you to earn money by answering short Google Opinion Rewards. This app will enable you to make money by answering short surveys from Google and its partners. You can use the app to share your opinions on various topics, such as news, entertainment, sports, etc., and get paid in cash or Google Play credits. Google Play Books. This platform allows you to publish and sell your books on Google Play. You can use Google Play Books to write and sell books on news-related topics, such as politics, history, culture, etc., and earn royalties from sales. 2. Podcast Project Manager. For podcast enthusiasts or aspiring podcasters, becoming a podcast project manager offers an exciting gateway to success. Podcast project managers assist podcasters in setting up, managing, and growing their podcasts. They handle various aspects of podcast production, such as audio editing, content creation, marketing, distribution, and monetization. The demand for podcast services is growing as more people consume and create podcasts. To find jobs as a podcast project manager, you can use platforms like Indeed, a popular job search engine that posts thousands of jobs in various categories and locations. You can use Indeed to find podcast project manager jobs by using keywords like podcast project manager, podcast producer, or podcast coordinator. To find podcast project manager jobs, you have several options. First, you can use Indeed to search for remote, part-time, full-time, contract, or other types of positions. Additionally, you can directly apply for jobs on Indeed or through the employer's website. Another popular platform you can explore is Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelance marketplace, connecting clients with freelancers who offer a wide range of skills and services. If you're interested in podcasting, you can create a profile on Upwork and navigate to the podcasting category to browse available opportunities. Utilizing specific keywords or skills related to podcasting can also refine your search on Upwork. In addition, there are other reputable platforms like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and ZipRecruiter, where you can extend your search for similar jobs in the podcasting industry. 3. Sell online workshops. If you're an expert in your field or have some other valuable life lessons to teach others, selling online workshops is another side hustle idea that can make you extra money in 2023. Online workshops are live or recorded sessions where you teach a specific skill or topic to people who pay for access. You can sell online workshops on platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, or Zoom, with prices ranging from $10 to $1,000 per workshop, depending on the content's length and quality. Alternatively, you can create your website and directly offer your workshops to your audience. Your teaching topics can span a wide range, including web design, marketing, yoga, photography, cooking, or any other subject people are eager to learn. So there you have it, the top 3 side hustle ideas to earn extra income in 2023. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.